school is.
Yeah.
2.5 to like 5 years or 6 years
Yeah.
only. People might be thinking on कि अरे रीडिंग की बात कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
लिखने की बात कर
कर
रहे
रहे
हैं,
हैं.
2.5 साल का बच्चा क्या लिखेगा, क्या
Yeah.
पढ़ेगा?
Yeah.
So what are your experiences about it? How does your school take this?
Yeah.
कि वो 6 साल का बच्चा, 5 का, 4 का, 3 का, वो रीडिंग कैसे, किस फेज में कैसे जाती है?
Yeah. So uh, I'll take, because you reminded me of Einstein, you know, he always believed that play is the highest form of learning. So that is his, you know, key statement which you will find in. We also believe in the same, that the child should be given opportunities to play all the time. So this is where the child is learning by herself. Yes. Every time the child is exploring. When they are playing something, just watch them. They are exploring something, they are tasting, they are using all their sense organs. And also, if it is hot, the child will be aware of it, right? Aware of it कि ये गर्म है, इससे मुझे दूर रहना है. बट हमने पकड़ा दिया तो वो ज़रूर रोएगा, बिकॉज ही इज़ प्लेइंग, ही इज़ एन्जॉइंग, ही इज़ एक्सप्लोरिंग. तो वो इतनी सारी चीज़ें सीखता है, राइट? सो हमारा काम भी यही है कि वी गिव देम अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्ले अ लॉट इन स्कूल, एंड एवरीथिंग हैपन्स इन अ प्ले वे. सो व्हेन आई से प्ले वे, देन हमने एक डॉल लाई क्लासरूम में, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एंड वी नेम्ड हर अम्मू. So Ammu was like a key celebrity in our classrooms, wherein we used to do everything in the classrooms for Ammu. So हमने सोचा कि let's plan a birthday party for Ammu. तो हमने अम्मू की बर्थडे पार्टी प्लान की. तो ये बर्थडे पार्टी कौन प्लान करेगा? तो आपको करना है, बिकॉज अम्मू इज योर फ्रेंड. नाउ दीज आर चिल्ड्रन, they are very small children, they are 2.5-year-old children. In another class there are 3.5-year-old children. So everyone is thinking about same things कि okay, हमें अपनी डॉल के लिए एक बर्थडे पार्टी प्लान करनी है, तो हम कैसे करेंगे? And they decided on all those things, you know, which yes, themselves. So हमें ना एक guest list तो बनाना ही चाहिए. So while they decide on this guest list, they were actually making the guest list. So writing was happening. Okay. When they were deciding कि हम किस तरह का decoration करेंगे, we will not use colors like basic colors like red and yellow. We want to use purple. So there, you know, teacher comes and plays a role कि okay, purple बनता कैसे है, and let's figure out, and then purple सीख रहे हैं बनाना. So all these children who are very small, they are learning with their wish. So they are deciding on their learning. Okay, it becomes difficult. Believe me, it is a very difficult task for teachers also in school, because you have to mold everything, because your objective is same कि आपको ये पढ़ाना है. But in this way, so while they are deciding on games, they will make the games which are phonic related games, which are numeracy related games, because we don't want to make them learn the spellings of you know 1 2 3 4 and then writing 1 2 3 4 और उससे हो गया काम. We want that number sense to be developed, right? तो उसके लिए वो कैसे होगा कि चलो अब काउंटिंग करनी है, हमें तो काउंट करना पड़ेगा ना, तभी तो हम इतने लड्डूस बना पाएंगे in the class, because they only decided that we should make laddus. So while making laddus, how can we make laddus? तो हम कुछ ऐसा आइडिया निकालना पड़ेगा जो हम क्लासरूम में बना पाए. So they made नारियल laddus, and then they themselves made नारियल laddus. So what is happening is all their senses are working now. So that learning environment, we've just created that learning environment.
They really made laddus.
Yes, they made laddus in the class. It is every time happening in our classes. I'm not exaggerating. You can come to our classrooms, you can see. Yeah, because you've also seen Johan doing. But these days we are all particular about these things. So children come, they make things. Even parents come and we do such activities with them.
I heard of one of the schools. They are making chocolatiers of the kids. वो अलग-अलग shape की chocolates बना रहे हैं.
Right?
They are like super chefs of the classroom.
Exactly.
So I was just feeling fascinated about it.
Yeah.
रायपुर में भी लड्डूस बना रहे हैं. Really nice. I mean,
yes, they do it. And everything is different in different classrooms. उनकी age के हिसाब से होती हैं चीज़ें, but they are very particular about their stuff. They make cake, they decorate it, they eat it. वो सारी चीज़ें क्लासरूम में करने के लिए we also have to be open for this, right? कि अगर बच्चे ने बोला है सैंडविच बनानी है तो बनानी है. Should be healthy. They do it. They do it. We have all the stuff. We do it. We make them taste. So all these things are very important for a child to learn. And when this is happening, automatically learning is happening. For example, recently we discovered that children are not finding Hindi very interesting. you know, especially in junior KG when they have to read and write Hindi, and for the first time they encounter Varnmala. तो क्या हो रहा था, इंग्लिश तो दे आर वेरी वेल वर्स, वो बढ़िया से लिख रहे हैं, दे आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग अराउंड इंग्लिश, दे आर राइटिंग ब्यूटिफुली ऑल द लेटर्स, दे आर कंप्लीटिंग देयर होमवर्क्स, and in the classrooms also they are very happy to see. Whenever this word comes Hindi, you know, we were struggling a lot. So we the teachers only came up with this idea, you know, ma'am, we should do something interesting on Hindi, because we really need to make this an interesting subject for them, because we have so beautiful books available from Hindi authors, और वो इतना अच्छा लिखते हैं, but children are not fascinated only. मतलब हम इतना बुक्स का एक्सपोजर दे रहे हैं,
सराउंडिंग्स वैसे हैं,
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली,
exactly.
बट लैंग्वेज इज अ लैंग्वेज वी बिलीव इन, राइट? सो इतनी अच्छी चीजें हैं सीखने के लिए, एंड इंडियन ऑथर्स आर ब्यूटीफुल ऑथर्स, दे हैव सो ब्यूटीफुल बुक्स. तो हमने सोचना चालू किया, एंड देन वी केम अप विद दिस आइडिया कि लेट्स डू स्टोरी अराउंड ऑल द वर्ण. तो हमने स्वर से चालू किया. वी हैड लाइक ऋषि केम इन द क्लास, एंड देन वो ऋषि बैठे और फिर उन्होंने एक स्टोरी सुनाई. तो इससे इतना कनेक्शन हो गया कि वो ऋषि का भी इतना डिफिकल्ट है जो लिखना, वो भी बच्चे अच्छे से लिख रहे थे. सो इट इज ऑल अबाउट कनेक्शंस विच वी मेक इन द क्लासरूम्स, एंड इट इज हैपनिंग इन द क्लासरूम विद स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो. तो वो छोटे से बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट है लिखना, but still that efforts play an important role, the process plays an important role, and the child definitely works on these skills.